September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Hey, in lau kasiyama, I am making chicken with cashew nut mo. Arsa le cashew nut le mushroom kasiyama. Voincho kasungte dinner ka surprise. Dono ni mo. Okay, kanu na 18 na 20 cup may mom come and make boka ni bunen. I don't need. That's it, mom. Is it good?
Amazing.
How about the spicy? Not a lot, right?
No, perfect.
Right? Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is mom after a long time. So today we're gonna eat my cooking rice. Hey, karong bol niya bute rice te, jasmine rice te, on chicken with cashew nut. Karon ay don ni mo. Here we go.
Yummy.
Let's start it. And I'm gonna eat tomato from our garden. Hey, kanuha na mi.
They're very good.
Eating tomato like this is good for your health. Tomato. How is it?
Wonderful.
Atui Atui lutuk. Atui baby.
Atui lutuk.
Tampa cho rice lang cho ele po tamo. Hay puron zung kada. It's a green onion, right? Green onion. Oh. Bong sa tui po kam nei mo an ai kup tham lo.
Yummy.
Yeah. If you want to have nice skin, if you guys always ask me the secret of my skin product, this is tomato from the garden.
Enjoy it. Very good.
Hey, mommy, come here, did you try? It's killing me last time. My stomach.
It did? Didn't bother me none.
Or mask. For what? Saying that on your phone?
I'm glad you like it. Say it,
Delicious. Hello, dog.
I got lots of carrots. You said you're getting all my guys.
Yeah. So bad to do that, man. How do you feel about eating with your hand?
It's all right.
Apoy low ring ring.
It'll be finger licking good.
Say apoy low ring ring.
Up, Plilo ring ring.
Yeah. No problem. How was your day? Busy?
Long, yes. Lots of patience. But job security.
I know that. Do we have any AGT tonight?
I think so.
At so nga hiyanin are sa purun na le in lau cashew nut vel cantela chon soya sauce de chini claim le I marcha oil chili oil and tia khatyang fel kha kam tel ta chon
It's among my favorites.
So is Scarlett's.
What do you think? Atui
It's among my favorite.
I said Atui
Atui lutuk.
How about like the spices and stuff?
Yeah, it's not so spicy. It's good.
Perfect.
Because we don't want to feel daddy.
No.
Thank you for liking. Like you don't know how to eat together.
He does, but you don't like
I
it.
don't like it. I like my rice separate.
By kako tok. Like too much problem.
What's that big purple thing?
What purple?
Pepper.
Mm.
There's no purple here.
Yeah,
There's a
it's almost purple.
green.
They're dried chilies. Dried
Oh,
chili.
dried chili.
Oh, okay.
This is Thai
you know what I
style.
forgot today, baby?
What?
Salt.
It's all right. We have plenty.
If you want,
One of the pepper shakers is salt shaker too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I thought you said you dumped it all on the
No,
oven.
I hope you will like it, Daddy.
he hasn't tried it yet.
Lutuk.
Good flavor.
Lutuk.
What?
Lutuk.
You look took?
Atui.
Atui.
Atui lutuk.
Very good. That looks hot.
Don't eat.
I
That
ate
looks really hot.
it. It's good.
You ate that?
Mm-hmm.
It looks hot.
A lot last night.
It's got
Kapay.
it's got them peppers that we
Gamal
bought at that
Kuwaikuro.
Indian store in it.
Yeah, it's
I
wonderful.
can see that.
Yeah, it's good.
Enjoy, Daddy.
All right, I'm gonna eat what I got.
This is Thai style of making.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like this a lot. Thai food is so good.
Some people make the chicken fry first, but I don't like it.
Yeah, I like it like this.
Kampan tui tu top nom top. Mom also tui tu lutuk. I'm passing tui and tivebe.
Yes.
Both of them. Both of them like so much. I said,
Mm-hmm.
"An panin tui an tilutok."
We looked up.
Oh, looks like I need more rice.
Mm.
Yeah, I didn't get a bunch either, but I'm good.
Mom, you are on diet.
Oh no.
About me. With the scarlet.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad you like it, Mom.
Good.
Ito kasi na niya YouTube itong kainin niya. I learned the recipe from YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
Pero ito ay ito na i-veng. Ang pala mo, takan ko na. Ah, ito. Pamit ko din i-veng niya.
Mm-hmm.
I said, Mom is eating with her.
Yes.
It's so good. Mmm. The tomato is so good. I think I'm going to start eating like this when I eat for one.
Like what?
One piece in a meal.
Mm-hmm.
They say it's good for your skin.
Yep.
Korean people eat a lot.
Of tomatoes?
Like that.
Scarlett can have that.
You know, Truve, my husband gonna sit for a short time. We're about to finish, right?
Mm.
Baby,
Yeah.
you like it?
It's one of my favorites.
So far, like how about my tom yum soup?
This is better than that.
Hmm?
This is better.
That's better. Oh my God, you make me so happy. Seriously? Do it till tom yum I put two katita. Have you ever tried before?
Yeah, she can make chicken curry.
What, Mom?
Papa said he loves your chicken curry, but he loves this too. So, and I said that's good because it's gonna give me more days off from cooking.
I was
Right?
worried. Kapapon to it, open.
Now I've got the happy heart.
You can say like kapuar lutuk.
Kapwar lutuk.
And I'm so full. I'm too full.
I'm so full it hurts.
What is like what pregnant? No, like
Yes.
I think John may try a little bit of the chicken. I'm not sure.
maybe she can have with the rice. The rice is so good.
Did you look at those shorts?
Oh yeah, it's a good thing you got John 2X.
Why?
They're small.
So I can wear them?
Eat them, try.
John,
Yep.
why don't you eat with the rice? Little bit rice is there.
Oh,
Those-
I'm good. I'm
Those
gotta
are
shower real
better.
quick and leave.
Those are better. But
You
John,
sure?
some of the shorts are shorts. Like they're short, but they're exercise.
Cuarto.
This pair's long, but the other ones are short.
They look good.
We'll see.
What do okay. So do you want your wife to cook again?
Do what?
Yeah.
I'm talking to him. Do he want me to cook again? Like
Yeah.
same
like
thing
this.
someday?
Next, let's do a peanut sauce.
Maybe like chicken satay with peanut
Yeah,
sauce.
let's try that.
Well, hey, YouTube patang kasir na I learned from YouTube.
YouTube's a beautiful place.
Kawai kasiam na niya tuyan tito pa niyo mo. Sinaka video in long mong kanin. Kasiam like hakalaw video tingila. I forgot to click video while I was cooking. But I do click while everything was inside the
Okay.
pan, so they see what's there and stuff.
Okay.
Anyway, thank you for joining us tonight dinner. I eat plenty because I eat behalf of you guys too. On behalf of you guys, is my English correct?
Yeah. I eat on that.
My,
Yeah.
you look tired.
It's a long day.
Is it busy today?
No, it wasn't too bad.
Kan ay zo to tihang kan turang trina claim karon tilang so ni ho. I was telling them that we already finished, but sometimes we like to sit a little bit longer and talk. So we're sitting and talking. Anyway, thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time, okay? Nito nga kayong huli nga video dang te interesting daw dito han inahin ko very nga vahan dito ri avang via ma se karon ti sham from zera video na ilawi ka law te em vangin chaning kayong huli thaw nga. I was telling them that I wanted to do something like more interesting somewhere like that, but still I try to make video even though I cannot go outside because for me, it's hard to go outside sometimes because I like staying home a lot.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
am ka tilo to ka so vangan ni boka. Masepa ka te ka lang karom hudon. So maybe I should go in the park and show them around.
All right.
You know,
Show 'em.
maybe tomorrow
Lay of the
because I don't
land.
have. Yeah, they have like a small bridge and stuff where we first taking photo together. Remember?
Oh yeah.
Kan kayin ton tir per kan thalak masak per na ngay zon no mi live el so fangila kan tumdon niya naktuka. Oh, good idea. I
That's a
didn't
very
think
good
about it. Yeah. So we want to say bye or like mang traffic or something.
Thank you guys for joining us. Enjoy your day.
We'll see you.
Bye.
Bye.